Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pulsara token. Ticker symbol is SARA, Sara. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 27th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Pulsara token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Pulsara, a decentralized ecosystem built on top of the Coreum blockchain. So this token is on the Coreum blockchain. You can find their block explorer at explorer.coreum.com. And it says our objective is to provide users with a seamless experience when making use of all the features of this Cosmos-based chain. They have a total supply of 1 billion Sara tokens, and it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, January 27th at 15 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search SARA, Sara, and then simply just buy the token. Now you can find their webpage at pulsara.io. Over there, they have all sorts of other links. They have a Telegram, a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. Excuse me. And, so Pulsara is an innovative project designed to harness the power of blockchain technology for decentralized governance and asset management. It operates as a decentralized autonomous organization on the Coreum blockchain, a platform known for its speed, scalability, and energy efficiency. The central goal of Pulsara is to create a self-sustaining ecosystem where stakeholders can actively participate in governance and decision-making through the Sara token governance. The primary purpose of Pulsara is to democratize the governance process within the blockchain space, allowing for a more inclusive and participatory model of decision-making by leveraging the Coreum blockchain's advanced features. Pulsara aims to establish a robust and secure infrastructure for various blockchain services, including an automated market maker, a decentralized exchange, asset management for fungible tokens, and a comprehensive suite of applications tailored for both consumer and enterprise use. Pulsara's significance in the blockchain ecosystem lies in its multifaceted approach to problem solving and existing challenges in decentralized governance and asset management. It represents a significant leap forward in creating a more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly blockchain environment. The integration of Coreum's smart token technology within Pulsara's ecosystem enhances its accessibility and interaction potential, making it a pioneering project in the realm of decentralized finance and beyond. Now, Pulsara's commitment to providing a transparent, efficient, and scalable platform aligns with the growing need for reliable and sophisticated blockchain solutions in various sectors, including finance, supply chain management, and digital identity verification. Its emphasis on governance, security, And user empowerment sets a new standard for the future of blockchain projects, positioning Pulsara as a key player in the evolution and adoption of blockchain technology, and specifically in the Coreum ecosystem. By focusing on these areas, Pulsara aims to contribute significantly to the Coreum blockchain ecosystem, offering innovative solutions and a blueprint for the future projects that seek to harness the benefits of decentralized technologies in a secure, efficient, and user-centric manner. So, the challenges that they are trying to solve here, the problems are complex governance, scalability issues, and user accessibility. Also, enterprise integration, tokenization limitations. So, Pulsara's role in addressing these challenges, the first DAO on the Coreum blockchain and the inaugural DAX, Decentralized Autonomous Exchange, is uniquely positioned to address these market challenges. As a pioneering DAO on Coreum, Pulsara introduces a novel governance framework that emphasizes inclusivity and efficiency, leveraging the Sara token to empower stakeholders in decision-making. Utilizing Coreum's advanced blockchain infrastructure, Pulsara ensures high scalability and efficiency, paving the way for seamless transactions and broader adoption. Pulsara focuses on developing intuitive interfaces and user-centric applications, making blockchain technology accessible to a wider audience and fostering mainstream adoption. Through its multi-signature platform and enterprise-grade applications, Pulsara offers robust solutions for businesses looking to integrate blockchain technology seamlessly. Pulsara plays a crucial role in bringing Coreum smart token technology to the public as a gateway for buying, selling, and creating smart tokens. Pulsara significantly contributes to the mainstream adoption of tokenization. So Pulsara's vision is to pioneer a new era in blockchain governance and asset management. The project envisions a blockchain ecosystem where decentralization goes beyond the underlying technology to empower every participant with real decision-making capabilities. The vision is underpinned by the ambition to make blockchain technology not just accessible, but also practical and beneficial for a diverse range of users, from individual enthusiasts to large-scale enterprises. Now, you can follow their Twitter at Pulsara_IO, 19,200 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, 433 tweets. You can find this token on explorer.coreum.com. And you can check out their Telegram at Pulsara_IO. They also have a Discord, a white paper, the official website, Pulsara.io, and a brand new token listing starting tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment, check out the referral codes, and if you want to help support the channel, hit that join button, become a member. Thanks to all the members who have hit that button. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.